Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news that the US Fed has delivered its strongest hint yet that it will unleash a fresh round of stimulus, and is likely to deliver it fairly soon unless their economy improves considerably, minutes from the central bank's August meeting show. Markets reacted sharply and positively on the news. The US dollar fell against most currencies as an attitude of risk-on set in. The Dow and the S&P 500 were in negative territory prior to the announcement, but in late trade the S&P is up in positive territory and the Dow is almost back even. Commodities are rising. Oil is up over $97 a barrel, pushed up by a decline in supplies and the stimulus talk. And gold has moved higher on the news too, now up over $16.55 an ounce. Staying in the US, Congress there has warned that only by resolving their fiscal cliff issues will their economy keep growing. Perhaps the Fed minutes are a similar warning. The signs are not promising though. BHP, the world's biggest mining company, has slashed its new project plans by a whopping 84 billion New Zealand dollars after its second half profit plunged 58% because metal prices declined and costs rose. There's trouble in China as stocks of raw materials grow sharply and there are predictions of a harsh winter there. Brace yourself, the Aussie resources bubble has burst. More fallout. Japan reported a wider than expected trade deficit in July as Europe's sovereign debt crisis and the slowdown in China dragged down exports and higher oil prices boosted imports. All this has the New Zealand dollar holding at 81.2 US cents and the TWI starts today at 72.8. We have what we might call the tallest dwarf syndrome here. We're in trouble, but not as much as everyone else. Bernard Hickey will be back tomorrow. I'm David Chaston and that was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.